In today's video, I will walk you through how to check your login history on Bitfinex. Checking your login history is a simple way to review recent activity on your Bitfinex account. It allows you to see when your account was accessed and helps you recognize any logins that you don't remember. To get started, open the account menu by selecting your profile icon in the top right corner of the Bitfinex interface. This will display a list of account-related options. From the menu, choose Security. This section contains the settings and tools related to protecting your account, including password management, two-factor authentication, and account activity. Once you're on the security page, look for the Session section. Select it and click the highlighted link to view a list of recent login events associated with your account. The login history page displays useful information about each login attempt. Take a moment to review the entries on the list. If all the login records are from devices and locations you recognize, then everything is likely normal. It's also a good practice to check your login history regularly, especially after signing in from a new device or while traveling. Monitoring your account activity can help you detect unusual behavior early and keep your Bitfinex account more secure. And that's how to check your login history on Bitfinex.